Hi guys, very good evening everyone, very good evening. How are you all? Everyone good guys? Okay, everyone bow nana? Sure. How are you all everyone? Yes, Venkatesh, Sudeshna, Kesasra, Manya, Jinath, everyone. Hi Bodha. Hi everyone. Hi Rashmita. Hello bacha. Hello everyone. Welcome to the session everyone. Welcome to the session. I welcome you all here in the session, guys. Today we are going to have a last session for vectors, I guess. Hi, Kanak Durga. Hello, bacha. Yes, kids. Hello, kids. Hello. So today we have a session in the afternoon session. Huh? I guess many of you are sleeping during the lecture only. Is it so? How many? No, sir. No, sir. So is it the last gift class? I don't know, beta. Maybe, may not be. I don't have the information. Is MSD classes for us? Not at all. Not at all. You want to enjoy the session, for sure you can attend, but you will not understand anything, beta. ठीक है? Sir, आप MSD session में 4 घंटे. Beta, I have taken more than 4 hours also. I have taken 10 hours classes also in a go when I was in my previous institution. Yes. हाँ, lucky I saw the message. I will reply back very soon, beta. Okay? So actually let me show you how the teacher is able to stand for so much long. See, so many items are here. So many items are here to eat. Do you see now? So many items are here to eat. That's why. That's the secret of our energy, guys. Hana? Bounce back. So we will again bounce back. Okay? And yes, guys, we do have bananas also. We do have bananas also to eat here, है ना? Yes, जय हो glucose की, carbohydrates. चलो यार, so it was just joking, guys. Here, है ना? Oh yeah, bounce back should give me ample amount of money because I did give them a quick promotion over here, right? चलो यार. Okay, guys. Okay. Sir, आप जिम जाते हो क्या? Do I look like that? I would have ever entered into gym? Never, beta, never. I am like खाओ पियो ऐश करो, ठीक है? Eat and have fun. Sweetie, what are you asking? Are you boy or girl? है? Oh, chatting with someone else in the chat box. Oh, baba. Had you snacks, sir? I will have snacks during the class only, beta. Don't worry. ठीक है? सर आप बहुत स्लिम हो, मैं पंसेर से भी ज्यादा मोटा हूँ. I will show this clip to him also now. Sure. Sir, is apple is very dangerous for doctor? Na sir, apple is very dangerous for doctors na. Madam, you will not get many patients at your clinic, and it will be obviously very difficult for you to survive then. That's why. But you never eat in class, sir. Today I have the option to eat. That's why. Thank you, Nagalakshmi. Thank you. Jai ho vectors. Yes, guys. Today also we are going to do vectors. So actually today we are going to do vector laws. Okay, Venkatesh, you can yawn, but like this. Hey, Venkatesh, you do every day. You do some different type of activities, na? Every day. Every day is some different word for Venkatesh. Every day. MSD classes for NEET students. You can attend for JEE also if you are attempting it. Okay, but I guess over here every student is going to be in right now 10th class to 11th class, guys. You all are from 10th class to 11th class moving, so hence MSD classes I don't think will be helping you a lot, because you have to understand terms from basics, guys. You have to understand terms from very basics. That's why it will be of no use for you. But yes, if you want to attend the classes to see how the teachers are going to teach you, who are different faculties over here, you can surely go and see those lectures, guys. Okay, guys. Okay. Sorry, Ansika, I don't think so. There will be one more class or more classes may be present. Don't worry for that. Okay, shall we start the class also? So when will offline class will conduct? I guess most probably in my end, most probably in the second last week, the third or fourth week of that. Okay, expected questions will come in it. Yes. But Sandeep, I guess you have not done the whole preparation for NEET, so you will not be able to understand the topic in detail. Okay, that's why. Don't know. Maybe I will be teaching to girls campus or boys campus. The thing, I don't have any information till now. The management will let you know who is going to teach you, who are going to your teachers. Okay, like different set of faculties are there, and obviously you will get to know all of these things in with time. Okay, don't worry. Short Supraja, thank you. Chalo yaar. So when will the college will open? Are college is open now also yaar. College is open now also, but for you guys it will open in, I guess, May. But you are most welcome to come and visit the college. Chalo guys, it is not in my hand where to come, where to go. Okay, chalo, shall we start with the lecture, guys? In the last lecture, let's do a quick revision of the last lecture, guys. Yes, or kids? So let's revise the last lecture, everyone. हाँ जी बच्चों. तो संजना saying you look like Kariminati. तो for her, तो कैसे हैं आप? सर मैं आ जाऊं क्या सर जी? आपसे पढ़ने का मन है, आ जा यार, उसमें क्या है, आ जा. तेरी मर्जी है. कहां पर है आजकल? अभी वेयर डू यू लिव? वैष्णवी, आफ्टर ऑनलाइन क्लास, ऑफलाइन क्लास, विल यू रिवाइज ऑल दिस इन ऑफलाइन? यस, वी विल डू ऑल ऑफ दिस इन ऑफलाइन. गुड़गांव में ही हूं. अरे यार, वेरी गुड. आई विल बी इन गुड़गांव वेरी सून, 10th ऑफ मई आई गेस. ठीक है, और नियर बाय दैट. चलो यार स्टार्ट करते हैं. इन द लास्ट लेक्चर आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट यूनिट वेक्टर. व्हाट इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर एवरीवन? चलो एवरीवन, लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन आल्सो. लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट द टाइम. व्हाट इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर एवरीवन? व्हाट इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर गाइस? इन द लास्ट क्लास आई टोल्ड यू unit vector symbol a cap, right guys? Unit vector symbol a cap, and then we are going to write a cap as a vector by mod of a vector, guys, right kids? And from here we can write a vector equals to mod of a vector into a cap, or not guys? Like this we can write. Also guys, magnitude of a cap equals to what beta? 1. In x direction it will be I cap, y direction it will be j cap, z direction it will be what beta? K cap. Did I told you all of these things in the last class? Unit vectors are used for direction purpose. They are only used to show what beta? Direction of a quantity, right kids? We have done it in the last classes or not? Unit vectors are only and only used to show directions, right guys? Wonderful guys, very wonderful. Yes Anya, I told it. Up here guys, we have done many questions also. After it we did many questions also, and I told you how to write the location. Or if it is given like, let us say like this given, it is given that here there is a point given 2, 3, 1. Let us say one point is given 2, 3, 1. It is your 0, 0. Then this vector is known as which vector? Yes kids, it is known as which vector? Tell me everyone. What is the name of this point with respect to origin? Name guys, name. I told you name according to the origin. With respect to origin, it will be position vector, or we can say r vector. Yes kids, so with respect to origin it will be always position vector guys. And I told you how to write r vector. Just coordinates of this point, 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. This is what we did now guys. So we have got this value of r vector as 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap, right kids? Then I told you how to write the magnitude of it. Guys. We are just quickly revising the last lecture. It will be important for us. So we can write it as guys like this also, 2 ka square plus 3 ka square plus 1 ka square. So it will become 4 plus 9 plus 1 root of 14. Like this question we did or not? We did some question like this or not guys? Bacha? So up here we can be asked to find unit vector also. Direction unit vector. So how to find it guys? R vector by mod of r vector. That is guys 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap by root 14. So that is how what we can do. We can write the values, right kids? So what do we have got? We have got position vector r vector, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap, and magnitude of r vector to be written as guys 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square, that is root of 14, and r cap you can write as r vector by mod of r vector. So this is the way guys that we have in the last classes. Questions we have done in the last classes. Similarly, we have done one displacement vector also. Can you recall? Yes bacha, Kanishka, can you recall that also? Yes, so let's revise that one also quickly. So let's revise that one also guys. Okay, let's revise that one also. So here guys, we have given one question here. Let us say we are given with a point 1, 1, 1. We are given with the point 1 comma 1 comma 1, and we are given with the point 2 comma 3 comma 4. We are given with the point 2 comma 3 comma 4, or you can take 2 comma 3 comma 2. Let us take 2 comma 3 comma 2. Okay, let us say we are taking this value. Just see, it just get into my mind, any number I can take, nothing matters. Then beta, it will be initial point. It will be which point beta? Final point. Then we can take it to be which vector beta? R vector. So it is known as which vector? Displacement vector. I am writing displacement, that is R vector. How to find it, guys? Final minus initial coordinates. How? What is this final? 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 I cap plus 3 minus 1 j cap plus 2 minus 1 k cap. This is what we did in the last class now, guys. 2 minus 1 k cap. So what you can write over here? I cap plus 2 j cap plus what beta? K cap. So this is how we have got this R vector. Hana Lucky? Lucky Dek, your doubt. R vector we can write I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Up, if it is asked, displacement vector we have got the displacement vector. Up now, what is asked? If it is asked, what is the magnitude? If it is asked, what is the magnitude of R vector? How to find it, guys? Then in the whole root, you will keep it 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, and the result will come root में 6. ठीक है ना बच्चा? If a point is negative, you will put with the sign. You will put with the sign, guys. Okay, Sharmasta. If it is with minus sign, then you will put with sign. That's it. So we will do one question with minus sign also. Don't worry. Up here, guys, if it is asked how to get R cap, so it will be what beta? I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Divide by what beta? Root of 6. I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap divided by what beta? Root 6. That's how question need to be done, guys. So we have got your displacement vector, mod, magnitude of it, and then find unit vector. This is how a question can be solved. Is this clear, everyone? What does cap means? Cap means beta unit vector na, symbol of unit vector cap. Salima, are you new in the class today? Do let me know, please. It may be possible. Then only you are not getting it. Maybe. Cap is going to show. Can we further solve it? Beta, you can leave it here. You can leave it here. If you want, according to the options, you can check. What are the options given? Otherwise, you can leave it here. Doesn't matter to us. Clear all? You want to do one more question? Shall we do one more, guys? What do you say, guys, everyone? Shall we attempt one more? Okay. So we have one more, guys. So let's make it a little bit interesting here. Let us say it is given as 0. या फिर 0 नहीं लेते. Let's say it is 1, minus 2, 1 given. It is given 1, minus 2, 1. And this point is given 3, 1, 2. This is given 3, 1, 2 given. So this is A point, this is B point. So what is A to B vector? We have to write what is AB vector, guys. Yeah, sir, I have skipped few classes this week. Okay, beta. So Salima, you will have to go with the replays of the YouTube channel. Then only you will be able to understand. Okay, you can go visit our YouTube channel, Shri Gosalites. Just you need to put Shri Gosalites on the YouTube, and over there you will get it, the links. And from there you can just watch all the lectures. Okay, then you will understand everything. Chalo bache. Here it is given, we have to find AB vector. Means what, beta? A to B. So we are writing like this, beta. A to B vector. मान लो कि कोई भी है A to B. A vector from A to B. We have to find this R vector. How to find it? We have to write A to B vector. How to find it, guys? AB vector. That is what, beta? R vector. That is final minus initial. So now how you will do? How you will do, guys? Try it. So it is A point 1, minus 2, 1. B point is 3, 1, 2. Try to do it, guys. Let's see how many of you can do it. Sir, in every case we have to do final minus initial. Yes. अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या given? AB vector. Darshani, what is given here? It is given AB vector. तो AB vector मतलब B minus A. AB vector minus B vector minus A. If it is PQ vector, P coordinate minus Q coordinate. Like this you have to do. We are moving from P to Q. Okay. Now guys, let's check it. So actually what we have to do, B final minus initial, what is this final point? 3. Here 1 minus 1 I cap plus. Ab now everyone see it. Is it here given 1 or not? What is this given beta? 1. And here what is this given beta? Minus 2. So you will put here 1 minus of minus 2 J cap. I should write it more big. We will write it as 1 minus of minus 2 J cap plus again 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 K cap. This is how we will write now guys. So actually we have to, if it is given with sign, so we will do 1 minus or minus 2 na beta. So we have to put everything with sign. So here what we can say, 3 minus 1 2 I cap, 1 minus or minus 2 3 I cap, and then again 2 1 I cap here, 1 K cap, sorry, 1 K cap. So again it is given. So third point will be 0. If it is given only 2 coordinate, then third point will be what? 0. अच्छा यहाँ correction होगा guys, it is J cap actually. है ना? हाँ, it is J cap. No, अब हाँ, Charan see, if you are writing A to B, मतलब you are moving from where to where? If you are writing A to B, guys, some kids are having a doubt, sir, A to B मतलब A minus B. Beta, what is this? A to B. We are moving from where? We are moving from A to B. The final position is what? B or A? A to B mein, what is the final position? B. Final position will be, and it will be what beta? Initial position. That's why we are doing what beta? B vector minus A vector. B coordinate minus A coordinate. Is this clear, Charan? And many kids again, clear or not? Acha. Ab like Prasad is asking one very good question. Sir, what if I want to find BA vector? What if I want to find BA vector? Now tell me guys, what will happen? What will happen? We will move from A to B or B to A? A to B or B to A now in this case? This is some other question. You will move from A to B or B to A? It is means B to A, matlab B to A. So what you will do? What you will do? A minus B or B minus A? Now you will do what? A vector minus B vector. A vector minus B vector. So it is nothing but opposite of this one only or not? So it is just multiply minus sign. Answer, that's it. Is this clear beta? Hanji? So there the kid who asked it, it is clear? Pakka? Give me a thumbs up if it is clear, everyone. Okay, give you my heart. So you are giving me hearts. Thank you so much. Heart for you also, guys. Oh yeah. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Chalo. Now it's time for us to move forward. What do you say? Yes. Let's move forward for the next one. Okay. Now guys, in the last class, I told you that we will be focusing on some vector laws. Right? I told you about vector laws or not. So today we are going to focus on vector laws. But before that, one single note point is present. Most beautiful thing. Let's add it. Let's see. Most beautiful thing about vectors is that we can shift them parallelly without changing magnitude, without any change in its magnitude, without any change in its magnitude. What we are saying, guys, that the most beautiful thing about vectors is that we can shift them parallelly without any change in its magnitude. Without any change in its magnitude. See what I'm trying to say? Is it a vector A or not, guys? What is it, guys? Vector A vector. It is a A vector. Let me take it. Let me take a clone of it. अब you see, is it a same vector or not? See, is it a same vector or not? So beta, if I shift it here, if I shift it here, will the direction change? Will the direction change, guys? Will the direction change, guys? No. If I shift it here, direction change. If I take it here, direction change. If I take it here, direction change. Any change? Any change? Any change? No. So beta, what we can do? We can shift them parallel to themselves. What we can do? We can shift them parallel to themselves without any change in magnitude. So vector value will remain same or different? So it will remain same. So this vector, if I shift it here, will it remain A vector only, guys? Yes. So what is the most beautiful thing about vector is that we can shift them parallelly. We can shift them parallelly without any change in its magnitude. So if we have a vector A vector like this, guys, we have a vector A vector like this, magnitude same, length same, everything is same. Then if we shift it like this, will there be any change in it? Will there be any change in it, guys? No, there will be no change in the magnitude. If there is no change in magnitude direction, vector remains what, beta? Same. So we can shift it like this also. We can shift it like this also. It will remain what, beta? Same. It will remain what, beta? Same. I hope it is clear, everyone. Yes, kids. So it is a statement. Remember it, guys. Remember it. Okay? We have to remember this result. Okay. Now ready for the next one? Ready for the next one? Everyone? Angle between two vectors. What do we have got, guys? Angle between two vectors. So guys, we are given with one vector here, A vector. We are given A vector. And if it is given one more, guys, B vector. Now guys, it is head. This is head. What is it, guys? Tail. What is it also, beta? Tail. Beta, magnitude, why it will change if I shift it? Is the length same or not? Beta, dekh. Our kid is asking, sir, if we are shifting it like this, why the magnitude is not changing? Why the magnitude is not changing? Why will it change? We are shifting it parallel, na beta. Same length is not changing. Am I extending it? I am not, na beta. So why will it change? So बच्चे, what do we have? Whenever two vectors are joined tail to tail, when two vectors are joined tail to tail, then angle between them is angle between two vectors. Is angle between two vectors. Then that angle is angle between two vectors. So what we are saying, let us say we have one more A vector, we have one A vector, we have one B vector. So this is one A vector, this is one B vector. So if they are being joined tail to tail, if tail to tail is joined, then the angle between them is known as tail to tail joint. Then the angle between them is known as your angle between two vectors. Angle between two vectors. Up, see, what are these fingers? Let us say head. That this angle will be angle between two vectors. If it is A vector, it is B vector. Let us say it is A vector, B vector. Is it angle between two vector? No. This is not the angle between two vector. So it should be joined what, beta? Tail to tail. It should be joined what, beta? Tail to tail. Okay? So we have to join two vectors what, beta? Tail to tail. Then only we can say these two vectors, angle between two vector we can find. Then only we can find angle between two vector. Up theta, that is angle will vary from 0 to 180 degrees. Angle between two vectors vary from 0 to 180 degrees. So bhai, what I am saying, then also we can find. if we are having two vectors join tail to tail, join what beta, tail to tail, whenever we have two vectors join tail to tail, then the angle between them is going to be known as what? Angle between two vectors. Bhavya, I'm explaining. Whenever two vectors are joined tail to tail, then they are known as what beta? The angle between them is known as angle between two vectors. And the maximum value of angle will be what? Or minimum angle. If you see, these are what? A vector, B vector. The angle between them will become theta 0 degree. Right guys? This angle between them will become kitna beta? 0 degrees. And if we are writing it as one is A vector and this one is joined with this another B vector, so are they at angle 180 degree or not? So here both are joined tail to tail, so it is 180. So 180 degree for anti parallel vector. We have done it earlier also, right? We have done it earlier also, and it is for parallel vectors. It is for parallel vectors. Right, kids? For parallel vector it will be 0. For anti-parallel it will be 180. So angle between two vectors we can calculate if we are joining them what beta? Tail to tail. If we are joining them tail to tail, then that will be a better way. See. हाँ, ताल से ताल मिला के बिल्कुल same. So here guys, now question is given. It is A vector given. This is B vector given. 60. Angle between two vector is 60 degree. Option A. Option B 120 degree. Option C 180 degree. Option D none. Yes guys, what is the angle between two vectors here? The diagram is shown. Angle between two vector diagram is shown. Yes kids, I hope it is easily visible. Very easily visible. Both are what beta? Tail to tail. Both are joined tail to tail. So hence angle between them is 60 degree. Hence angle between them is what beta? 60 degree. Hence the angle between them is what beta? 60 degrees. Now, we have got this A vector. We have got this B vector. This angle is 135 degree. This angle is what? 135 degrees given. Angle between A vector and B vector. That is your question. Angle between A vector and B vector, that is your question. Okati 45 degrees. Rendo 135 degrees. Bas, two options are there. You have to choose 45 or 135. Yes. See here, is this vector A vector head and this is B vector tail or not? Is head and tail joined or tail and tail joined? Is head and head joined or tail or yet head or tail joined? Head and tail joined. So what we should do? We should shift the vector or not? Can we shift the vector or not, guys? Can we shift the vector? I told you most beautiful thing about vector is that we can shift it. So let's say we have this vector. Okay, now let me clone it. Let me change the color of it so that it becomes little bit different. So let us say we have this A vector, and if I shift it, can I shift it like this or not? Can I shift it like this or not, guys? A vector. So will the vector remain same or not? Will the vector remain same? है ना बच्चा? Vector will remain same. So बच्चा, it is 135. So what is this angle going to become? It will become what बच्चा? 45 degrees. So what is the angle between A vector and B vector coming, guys? 45. That's it. Simple. Khatam. Finish. Bye bye. Tata. Ardhamainda. So you just need to shift it. You just need to shift the vector. So you have to make the vector join tail to tail. That's it. We have to join the vector tail to tail. So it is 45 degree, 135. So option number is A, correct. Clear, everyone? Easy peasy. Are you finding easy peasy, lemon squeezy, guys? No, Yagnan. We will be doing it in college. When you will come in college, then we will do that. Okay? Chalo, wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Ab now, can we talk about the vector laws? Can we talk about the vector laws, guys? Yes, kids? Okay. So we are now going to talk about vector laws of addition. So today we are going to now talk about what, beta? Vector law of addition. So here, guys, we will now focus on vector laws of addition. So actually there are 3 vector laws. How many vector laws are there? 3 vector laws are there. Okay, kids? How many vector laws are there? 3 vector laws are there. 3. Vector law of addition. First one is triangle. First one is triangle law of vector addition. And it is a graphical way. It is which manner, guys? Graphical method. The first one we are going to study will be triangle law of vector addition. It will be which one, beta? Graphical one. Okay, guys? So triangle law of vector addition we are going to do, and it is going to be which one, beta? Your graphical method here. We are going to do graphical one. Shall we start, guys? Give me a quick thumbs up if you are ready, everyone. What do you say? My energy is a little bit down. Should I eat one biscuit or not? Yes, we will. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. It contains sugar and I'm currently on a less sugar diet. Because I'm becoming day by day thick, fat. I want to reduce that. That's why. The reality is you are only able to see me till here, not down part. That's why you don't know me. So everything you see here is not true. Yes, in that he is very good, very good. Chalo yaar. Jokes apart, let's focus on this one. Ana, jokes apart, let's do this one. So triangle law of vector addition, guys. Okay. So what do we have the next one, guys? Triangle law of vector addition. So what does it say? It says that there are 2 vectors, let us say. How many vectors are given, beta? Yes, kids, 2 vectors are given. So let us say there is a one vector, A vector. There is a one vector, A vector. It is tail, it is head. One vector is which vector, bacha? A vector. This is tail, this is head of it. Done, Tivta? Is it okay? Abhi simple. We are doing very simple, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry for it. So it is given A vector, it is tail to head given. And one more vector given. One more vector given. So there is a vector A, tail to head. Another vector given what, beta? Tail to head. It is known as B vector. So there are 2 vectors given, bache. How many vectors? So, beta, voice is coming. Is the voice? Am I audible? Okay. Am I audible? Vaishnavi saying not audible. Beta, Vaishnavi, just to refresh your Zoom call. Okay. Everyone other are able to listen me. Okay. So here, guys, we are given with A vector and one B vector. If 2 vectors are joined like this, tail to head. How are we moving, beta? Tail to head. Then one more tail to head. Like this we are moving. Okay? It is one A vector. It is one B vector. है ना? देखो. A, tail, head. Like this we have joined. So we have joined one A vector ka head with the tail of what, beta? H. Vaishnavi, beta. Vaishnavi. Refresh or rejoin. ठीक है, चलो. Now don't worry. But how, sir, she will be able to hear you if you're saying don't worry? She can't hear now. That's why she's writing in the chat box. Correct, beta. Correct. Sorry. Now what do we have got? We have got this tail. We have got this head. Then we have B vector. It is also connected from tail to head. Ana? So are these two in a same? These two are basically what, beta? In a same sense. So they are added in a same sense. What are they added, guys? Same sense. We are not getting their angles. I'm saying they are actually, beta, added in what, beta? Same sense. A vector, B vector added in which sense, beta? Same sense. Joined together in a same sense. Then, beta, we will have one vector. Can you see this A vector tail? What is this, guys? A vector tail. And what is this, guys? B vector head. So if we join tail of A vector and head of B vector, if we join tail of A vector and head of B vector, then this particular vector will give you R vector equals to A vector plus B vector. This is what triangle law say. So what does triangle law say, guys? If we have an A vector tail to head, A vector tail to head, then another B vector tail to head, another B vector tail to head, but head and tail are joined. देखो what is joined? A vector का B vector का head and tail are joined. A का head, B का tail are joined together. Then this tail to head will be what? Then this tail to head will be which vector? Resultant vector. Then this will be what? Resultant vector. Up here, beta, you don't have to worry. So R vector ka length more than A or B. It can be less also, it can be more also, depending on the angle. It is a law. ठीक है Maitri? Doesn't matter, beta. Okay. So what do we have got, guys? So it is a law which you have to remember. Law are made to remember. ठीक है? So what is given? This is A vector. This is B vector. So one vector is added with another vector in the same sense. Are they in same sense or not, guys? So we have two vectors here, guys. Let me explain it once more. So let us say it is given which vector here, guys? It is given, let us say, A vector. So it is tail, it is head of A vector. Then we are taking one more vector. It is which vector, let us say, guys? B vector. I am saying it is which vector? B vector. So its tail and head are joined. So here we can say head and tail of A and B are joined together. Then bacha, this vector tail to head, tail, देखो, tail head. This vector will be what, beta? Your resultant. This will be what? Your resultant. And we will write R vector to be what, beta? A vector plus B vector. Yes, we can join, beta. Are we finding any angle between them? No, na, beta. We are not supposed to find angle over here. We are only supposed to learn this law. So this law say that if one vector A and B are joined together, A ka head is joined with tail of B, then the third side in the opposite manner, tail to head, is going to be what, beta? Resultant vector. It is a law which you have to remember. It is a law which you have to remember, guys. It is a law, Sandeep. Law. ठीक है? So here, when A vector and B vector are joined in a same sense, or you can say when A and B are taken to be two sides of triangle. Listen very carefully. When A and B are taken to be two sides of a triangle in a same sense. Can you see the sense is same? Tail to head. Then the third side will be your third side in the opposite manner, in the opposite sense, will be what? Your resultant. So if it is A vector, it is B vector, then this side will be what, beta? R vector. See the question that can be framed here. This is A vector. See, I am making a question. It is A vector. This is B vector. This is given as C vector. So here we are given with like this, guys. There is a triangle given ABC as shown. There is a triangle given ABC as shown. Choose correct option. Choose correct option. C vector plus B vector equals to A vector. Okati. Rendu. A vector plus B vector equals to C vector. C. B vector plus A vector plus C vector equals to B vector. Like these options are there. Now you have to choose here what is happening. मान लो ABC three options are given, you have to choose the right one. Okay, I can see many of you getting the right answers. Very good. Wonderful, guys. Sunita, you will now get an idea ki how to remember. Okay? See, let us plot all the head and tail or not. So here let's plot all the head and tail. Here a tail, here a head, this is a tail, this is a head, here it will be tail, here it will be head. So now guys, which vectors are added together? Which vectors are added together? Socho, tail, head, tail, head. Tail, head, tail, head. Right? So in a same manner we are moving here, tail, head, tail, head. That is A vector and B vector are added together. Is A vector and B vector are added together or not? And third vector will be, third result, क्या tail to head? क्या third is tail to head or not, guys? It is C. So it will be what, beta? C vector. Like this we can get it. Like this we can get. Ardhamainda. I will explain you once more. You see over here, is A vector joined like this or not, tail to head, everyone? So vector number A is joined from tail to head like this. Then we have one more vector over here, B vector. Is it also joined tail to head or not, guys? Then here one tail is left, one head is left, and then if we join these two, it will be which vector, beta? R vector, or over here given actually equal to C vector. So are we joining A and B? We are joining what, beta? A and B. And the third one, tail to head, tail to head, tail to head, will be what? C vector. Now clear, bacha? Yes, bacho? Sunita, clear, bache? We have Swami Reddy Palli, clear? Abhyukt, clear? Call me Rolex, sir. What a name, guys. Unique name. I called you, beta. Will there be any exam on Sunday? Yes, there must be an exam, I guess. Anna? There should be, otherwise they will ask, they will tell you. Yes, Lucky, yes. Yes, Lucky, yes. Now see over here. Next one. This is P vector, this is Q vector, and this is S vector. Here, three vectors are given, guys. S, P, Q. Choose correct option. P plus S vector equals to Q vector. P plus Q vector equals to S vector. Q vector plus S vector equals to P vector. Like that. First, second, third option. Many of you are getting it. I'm very happy. And all those who are not able to get it, please give some time. Please give some time. Please give some time. So I can see in the chat box it is totally filled with second. Sunita, Abhyukt, specifically you tell me the answers because you were asking, sir, not getting. Lucky, you also. Okay, so I get it. It is second option, and yes, it is a correct option. So you just have to mark, first of all, it is tail given, it is head given. this is tail given, this is head given, it is head, it is tail. So you can see beta, tail head. It is what? Tail head. Matlab which are joined together? P and Q are joined together, P plus Q for sure. And third one will become what? Tail to headed, that is S vector. No Lucky, over here doesn't work. Lucky, it will not work like that here beta, okay? So here we are joining all the tails together and then head. Finally, what is getting here beta? It is your S vector. What is it beta? S vector. Okay, wonderful bacha. So we have got it, second option. We have got which one beta? Second option. I hope now getting it guys. Everyone got it or not? Chalo. Ab here guys, what do we have? Next one, again next one. Ab socho ek baar. It is given P vector. This is given Q vector. It is given which vector? Let us say guys, S vector given. Which vector given? S vector. So what we have written? P vector plus Q vector equals to S vector. Correct or wrong? Is it correct guys? Is it correct or not? 100%? अच्छा. क्लियर हो गया ना सबको? ठीक है, वंडरफुल. तो अब नेक्स्ट लॉ, सेकेंड लॉ. Polygon law of vector addition. Now we have got which one beta? Polygon law. Polygon's law means what? Many sides or only 3 sides? Polygon law means what? Many sides or only what? How many sides? Many sides, not only 3. अब लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. देखो पॉलीगन लॉ में क्वेश्चन इज ओनली द कंसेप्ट, या कंसेप्ट इज ओनली द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, कंसेप्ट इज ओनली पॉलीगन बेटा. दिस इज अ पॉलीगन स्क्वायर, दिस इज अ पॉलीगन लाइक दिस, है ना? दिस इज अ पॉलीगन, अ क्लोज फिगर लाइक दैट. ये पॉलीगन. मैथमेटिक्स. See here now, if it is given one a vector given like this, if polygon में, if the sides of polygon are taken to be vectors, if side of polygons are taken to be vectors, ठीक है? So it is a vector. We have got next one b vector. We have got next one c vector. We have got next one d vector. So can you see how many vectors are being shown here? A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector. We have shown A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector. Then बच्चे, if you see, क्या all are connected like this? Tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head. है ना बच्चा? All are connected like this, tail to head, tail to head, tail to head, tail to head. है ना? So if you see, can you see this one side or not? If we see this side, if we say this side, it should be resultant. Like in triangle law, what was happening? If we see this side, it will be answer of which vector? A vector plus B vector or not? If you this line was answer of A vector plus B vector. है ना बच्चे? Yes or no kids? So similarly, what we can say here, how many vectors given? A, B, C, D. Like these vectors are given. So this particular vector, this particular line will give you what beta? Resultant. That is what? A vector plus B vector plus C vector plus D vector. Resultant of all. But arrow of this vector should be where? At D or at A? You tell me this. Arrow should be where? At D or at A? Remember triangle law. Triangle law say like this: A vector, B vector, then this is your resultant. So here for the resultant, arrow of this particular yellow line should be where? Analyze. If it is A, it is B. R vector arrow will be at B. Right now we are adding A to B like this. So here this is tail, this is head of D. So if we do like this, This will be on which vector? Resultant vector. Is this clear, everyone? So it is A, B, C, D connected here. So if the left one, so end points are, so we have to make a closed figure. Actually, what are you doing? You are making a closed figure. I know in that, don't worry. You have to make which figure? Closed figure. अच्छा यहाँ पर head है guys. देखो tail to head, tail to head, tail to head, tail to head. Then this will be joined. So last one you join it. Got it? Resultant doesn't join tail to head. तो देखा ना, for tail of A, we start from A and end at D. So tail of A will be connected with head of D. Tail of A will be connected with head of D. Like that. Clear to all? Everyone, clear everyone? Crystal clear to all? Yes, kids? Wonderful. Very wonderful. Up here, similarly, we have one parallelogram law of vector addition. Similarly, we have parallelogram law of vector addition. Are in the time is over now? You were saying so many times, time is over, time is over. Then why you writing? Explain once more. During the class, so you are enjoying, and then saying time over, and now saying explain once more. How is it possible? See now, we have next one, guys. Parallelogram law of vector addition. So what happens in parallelogram law, guys? We have got this which vector? A vector. This is which vector, beta? A vector. Okay. Up now, we have one more vector. And it is which vector? B vector. Is which vector? B vector. Then what is it, guys? Angle between two vectors. Yaad hai? Tail to tail. If we are joining two vectors, tail to tail, then it will be what, beta? The angle between two vectors. This is what we have done or not, guys? We have done it now. Okay, nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. We are not going to read that again. Ab you tell me, is it a parallelogram? Is it a parallelogram, guys? No. So what is a parallelogram? What is a parallelogram in class 10 you have done? What is a parallelogram or smaller chinna classes you have done? 4 sides like square. 4 sides are there, and opposite one should be parallel. And opposite side should be equal and parallel, guys. So guys, do you remember that node point two vectors, one vector can be shifted parallel to each other or not? Remember it or not, guys? So let me have this vector. Which vector? B vector. Can I shift it like this or not, guys? Will it be the same vector? Will it be the same vector or not? Pakka? Ab you tell me. And if I take this A vector also, guys, here, and if I shift it also, what is this going to become again? A vector or not, guys? So now can you see here? It is A vector, it is B vector. You have got it, guys. So I have shifted A vector like this and B vector also like this. Is it a parallelogram? Is it a parallelogram here, guys? So if you see, beta, head of B, head of A coming here. Tail of A and tail of B is also coming here. So beta, there will be one line. If you will see here, one line, diagonal. If you see the diagonal, all the tails are joined. Tail, head. Can you see it? If I join it this diagonal, all the tails together and all the heads together, all the tails together, all the heads together, then this particular diagonal will be known as which vector? Resultant vector. And R vector will become what? A vector plus B vector. R vector will become A vector plus B vector. And it also tells, listen carefully, if let us say it is like this, is it triangle law? Is it triangle only? A, B, R. A, B, R. So beta, is parallelogram law, triangle law nearly same only or not, guys? Yes, kids? And what is this, guys? What is this whole part? What is this whole thing? What is this whole thing? Theta. एक ही बात हुई. What is this whole thing? Yes, we have taken one triangle more, and that diagonal is known as what? Vector. And this whole angle is theta. Theta is angle between A vector and B vector. So here there is an important result, that r ka square will be equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos of theta. We will do the proof in college classes. That is offline one. Don't worry. We will do the proof of it. In which class? College classes, offline classes. Don't worry for it. Okay? We will do the proof of it in which class? Your offline classes. Don't worry for it. So what is this given here, guys? We are given that A vector plus B vector is there and it is equal to R vector. And here we have A and B, angle between them is theta. Then kids, R square equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. And the proof will be done in which class? Your offline classes, when you will be coming back. And I hope you all understood this. So all of these three are vector addition laws. These three are what? Laws of vector addition. So a vector must have a direction. Vector must have a direction, as well as it must have what, beta? Magnitude, and it must obey vector laws. Okay, vector laws. So two vectors given at some angle, then how to find the resultant of it? R square equals to A square plus 2AB cos theta. Okay. So with this, guys, this particular part of vectors for the gift classes is over. With this, all the part of vector for the gift classes are over. And rest part, I guess one topic is left, we will be doing tomorrow, or it will be known to you. Okay? And if you find any difficulties, you are most free to talk to me, chat to me with me on the Instagram. No worries, guys. Okay? It was very awesome to teach you all, guys. It is very awesome to teach you all. I don't have the information when the gift class will end. I will tell you the informations when you will get to know. Okay? It was very good, guys, to teach you all, and I enjoyed a lot, guys, over here being in these classes with you all. And I am very much eager to meet you all in person. I'm very much eager to meet you all in person, guys. And then we will have lots of fun, lots of studies we will do. We will have bit of concepts that we will teach you with lot of tricks, lot of tips over here. Don't worry for that. Okay, just quickly come over here. So why did you not eat the biscuit? I will eat it after the class. Okay. Chalo, thank you everyone. Thank you all. Thank you so much for your love, guys. You can give me your love feedback on the Telegram or your Instagram on my Instagram channel. Okay, like that. Chalo, thank you all everyone. Bye bye. Dua salam, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bacha Party. Bye bye. Tata. Love you all.